So everybody and anybody who has camped with me will know Blanche tend to arrive at camp a bit late. It's 9 o'clock. It's bucketing down with rain. We probably drove the slipperiest road ever. Well, you need low range to get where we are now because you're going up a steep hill and it is muddy. So we had a lot of fun. This is this man's first experience camping with me.
Thank goodness you didn't get stuck. That's why I deserve this beer.
100%. So we had the most amazing drive. We got a little bit of footage because it is late and we couldn't take the camera out. It was bucketing down, so we took some on the phone. I'm going to put it in the video and show you. But in the middle of the Wild Coast, my first time being here. First time being here?
Definitely.
Henning, first time being here?
Definitely.
Okay, and it is absolutely stunning. Tomorrow we've been told there's a serious 4x4 track leading down to a private beach, and we are not sure yet if we're going to attempt it. If it is anything like we did tonight, and I say it's worse, I don't know if we're going to get back out there. So we're going to give it a walk and then make a decision. But anyways, we're sitting in his tent, cooking some buri.
We're going to have some great boerewors rolls.
And
little classic.
Cooking buri in Sprite.
In Sprite. All I'm going to do tonight is push the Bundetek button. It's going to go up when we're ready to go to bed because it is soaking wet outside. And then I'm going to have a good night's sleep. Amy, myself. I don't know how Brendan's going to sleep.
Like a dream.
And then tomorrow we'll see what happens. And I hope you enjoy this video and follow along on this little trip through the Wild Coast. We'll bring you along for it. So this week you see us make our way from Umhlanga Rocks all the way to the Transkei, the Wild Coast. We make our way down the old highway past Port St John's, Margate, Port Edward, and take the first off-ramp onto the gravel to make our way through the Siki and all the way to Mboiki Bush Camp, which is a beautiful place situated off the beaten track. You do need a high clearance 4x4 to get there. They are extremely friendly, and I would definitely recommend this bush camp. If you're ever in the area, go check out my Mboiki. So I hope you enjoyed this video and follow along.
Always GP to the rescue.
Morning. Okay, so we in the Wild Coast, we were supposed to go to Sani, but the weather was awful and we decided to come to the coast. I've never been this side and it is what it says, it is wild. We're going to head down to Weird Bush Camp. Just Mboiki Bush Camp. Came in last night very late and it's wet, it's muddy, it was raining, but it was good fun. So this morning we're going to head down. There's a route that we can take down to the beach. We're going to go down there, make some breakfast, just let the dogs run a bit. It was a long day yesterday in the car, and then from there we're going to come back and head to Coffee Bay and go see the hole in the wall. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this. We're going to take you with on this little journey through the Wild Coast. It is one of Africa's splendors, so we're as keen to see it as you are.
Go Yon Yon, go Yon Yon. Slippery Yon Yon.
Morning, morning. It's alright, don't worry, don't worry. Hello, hello, hello. Morning, 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 morning. Welcome to the Wild Coast. This little track we're on at the moment leads from the main Bush camp all the way to a private beach. It's a lovely 4x4 route which will take you to an hour to an hour and a half to do. I would not rate this as extreme, but it is moderate, and you will definitely need a high clearance vehicle with a set of good tires and low range. We did this little route in extreme conditions where the Wild Coast had tremendous range the previous night and the previous week, so it wasn't easy. So attempting this in wet conditions, I would definitely say you need some experience behind the wheel, but it shouldn't put you off, because they assured us that they've recovered plenty of vehicles from the bottom there. It's a lovely drive and will take you about an hour to get to the beach, hour and a half if done properly, and it's a nice place to go and spend next to the lagoon, having breakfast, lunch, or just hanging around there for the day.
Doesn't look too bad, you know. Not at all.
No, I think we'll get through here. I don't see any rocks or anything. I think there we're going to get into trouble.
Yeah.
There, this
Yeah,
like,
this is deep, eh?
Is it? This is deep. Yeah.
What we normally do, we just drive with the one wheel going over there, your other wheel coming here.
Yeah,
One
yeah.
wheel
No,
going
I'm
there.
sure we'll make it. I might get here because I'm a bit wide. But no, I'm sure we'll get through. If you want. Yeah, why not? Yeah, somebody will help somebody out.
Luckily we brought the biggest tackles that we have.
Well done, Morky!
Ja.
Chris, ek het vergeet om my ding in die eerste te sit. Ek het weer sien dis ek in
Ek so kan nie in die tweede.
Hello, gorgeous!
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you, on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a really good and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty,